Writing. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring one of the impressive giants of the global shipping industry, the Ore Dalian, a massive ore carrier built to transport huge quantities of iron ore across the world's oceans. While these ships may not receive as much attention as luxury cruise liners or aircraft carriers, they are among the most important vessels in international trade. Every year, giant ore carriers like the Ore Dalian move millions of tons of raw materials that are essential for producing steel used in buildings, bridges, railways, vehicles, and countless everyday products. Without these enormous ships, modern industries around the world would struggle to keep up with demand. The Ore Dalian is designed with one clear purpose: carrying enormous amounts of iron ore safely and efficiently over long distances. At first glance, its size is truly breathtaking. Stretching hundreds of meters in length, this floating giant dominates the sea with an incredibly wide beam and a deep draft that allows it to carry an astonishing amount of cargo. Its high-strength steel hull is engineered to withstand powerful ocean waves, harsh weather, and years of continuous operation. The ship's exterior is simple but extremely functional. Every part of its structure is built to maximize cargo capacity while maintaining excellent stability during long ocean voyages. The deck of the Ore Dalian features a series of massive cargo hatches that cover enormous cargo holds beneath. These cargo holds are specially reinforced to handle the immense weight of iron ore, one of the heaviest bulk cargoes transported by sea. Large cranes at loading terminals pour thousands of tons of ore into the vessel every hour, allowing the ship to be loaded in an impressively short time despite its gigantic size. Once fully loaded, the Ore Dalian becomes one of the heaviest moving objects ever created by humans. From the outside, the bridge rises high above the deck near the stern, giving officers a commanding view of the ship and the surrounding sea. Advanced radar systems, satellite antennas, navigation lights, communication equipment, and weather monitoring systems are all mounted around the bridge to support safe navigation. The vessel also carries multiple lifeboats, rescue boats, emergency equipment, fire protection systems, and pollution prevention technology to meet strict international maritime safety regulations. Although cargo ships are not built for luxury in the same way as cruise ships, the interior of the Ore Dalian offers a surprisingly comfortable environment for its crew during long voyages that may last several weeks or even months. Inside the accommodation block, crew members have private cabins equipped with comfortable beds, desks, wardrobes, air conditioning, and internet access whenever satellite connections are available. These cabins provide a quiet place to rest after long working hours at sea. The ship also includes a spacious dining hall where fresh meals are prepared daily by onboard cooks. A fully equipped kitchen ensures the crew receives balanced meals throughout the voyage. Recreation facilities often include a television lounge, a fitness room with exercise equipment, indoor games, and comfortable seating areas where crew members can relax after completing their duties. Some modern vessels even feature small libraries, entertainment rooms, and video game systems to improve crew well-being during extended ocean crossings. Medical safety is also a priority aboard the Ore Dalian. The ship carries a medical room stocked with emergency supplies, first aid equipment, and essential medicines. Crew members receive regular safety training, emergency drills, and fire response exercises to prepare them for unexpected situations. While far from shore, the navigation bridge represents the technological heart of the ship. Here, highly trained officers monitor sophisticated electronic charts, GPS navigation systems, automatic identification systems, radar displays, weather forecasting equipment, engine monitoring systems, and communication consoles. Modern automation reduces workload while improving navigational accuracy and operational safety. Even with advanced technology, experienced captains and officers remain responsible for making critical decisions during storms, congested waterways, and port arrivals. Powering a vessel as enormous as the Ore Dalian requires one of the largest marine diesel engines ever built. The ship uses a slow-speed two-stroke diesel engine capable of producing tens of thousands of horsepower. This massive engine rotates a single giant propeller that steadily pushes the fully loaded vessel across the oceans. Unlike sports cars that focus on acceleration, the engine of an ore carrier is designed for maximum efficiency, durability, and continuous operation. It can run for weeks with minimal interruption while consuming heavy fuel in the most efficient manner possible. The engineering department continuously monitors fuel consumption, engine temperature, lubrication systems, cooling systems, electrical generation, and propulsion performance. Powerful generators provide electricity for lighting, navigation equipment, cargo systems, accommodation facilities, communication equipment, and safety devices throughout the vessel. Advanced monitoring technology allows engineers to detect potential problems before they become serious, increasing reliability and reducing maintenance costs. Despite its enormous weight, the Ore Dalian is engineered to provide stable handling in rough ocean conditions. Sophisticated ballast systems adjust the ship's balance as cargo is loaded or unloaded. These ballast tanks help maintain proper stability, improve steering performance, and reduce stress on the hull during heavy seas. Although the ship cannot turn or stop as quickly as smaller vessels, experienced crews carefully plan every maneuver well in advance. During long ocean voyages, the Ore Dalian cruises at an efficient service speed that balances fuel economy with delivery schedules. The vessel crosses some of the world's busiest shipping routes, connecting major iron ore exporting regions with steel manufacturing nations. Every successful voyage delivers hundreds of thousands of tons of valuable cargo that supports industries and economies across the globe. The crew works around the clock in rotating shifts to ensure safe operations 24 hours a day. Deck officers supervise navigation, cargo security, weather monitoring, and communications. Engineers maintain propulsion systems, generators, pumps, and machinery. Deck crews inspect equipment, perform maintenance, handle mooring operations, and keep the vessel in excellent condition despite constant exposure to saltwater, wind, and sunlight. Environmental responsibility has become increasingly important for modern bulk carriers like the Ore Dalian. New technologies help reduce fuel consumption, lower carbon emissions, improve engine efficiency, and minimize pollution. Ballast water treatment systems prevent the spread of invasive marine species between different regions. Advanced waste management systems ensure garbage, sewage, and oily water are processed according to international environmental regulations. Many modern ore carriers also use optimized hull designs and energy-saving devices to improve efficiency while reducing operating costs. Weather presents one of the greatest challenges for ships operating on international trade routes. The Ore Dalian may encounter tropical storms, powerful ocean swells, dense fog, strong winds, and freezing conditions depending on its destination. Using satellite weather forecasts and advanced routing software, the captain carefully selects the safest and most fuel-efficient route while protecting both the crew and the valuable cargo. Port operations are another fascinating aspect of the ship's journey. Upon arrival at specialized bulk terminals, powerful unloading equipment removes thousands of tons of iron ore every hour. The ship's enormous cargo holds are carefully emptied while ballast systems maintain stability throughout the unloading process. Once discharged, the vessel prepares for its next voyage, often returning to major mining regions to load another shipment. The Ore Dalian represents more than just engineering excellence. It symbolizes the global supply chain that connects mines, industries, manufacturers, and consumers around the world. Every skyscraper, railway, automobile, factory, and bridge made from steel may owe part of its existence to giant ore carriers transporting essential raw materials across vast oceans. Living and working aboard such a vessel requires teamwork, discipline, technical knowledge, and dedication. Crew members spend months away from their families while operating one of the largest machines ever built by humanity. Their professionalism keeps international trade moving safely every single day. The sheer scale of the Ore Dalian leaves a lasting impression on anyone who sees it in person. Standing beside this giant vessel at a port truly demonstrates the remarkable achievements of modern marine engineering. Every component, from the massive engine to the reinforced cargo holds, is designed for reliability, efficiency, and decades of demanding service on the open sea. In the end, the Ore Dalian is an extraordinary example of how advanced engineering supports the modern world. Its enormous cargo capacity, powerful propulsion system, dependable technology, comfortable crew accommodations, and environmentally conscious design make it one of the most important types of ships operating today. While it may not offer luxury vacations or exciting military missions, it quietly performs one of the world's most essential jobs by transporting the raw materials that keep global industries alive. The Ore Dalian proves that true greatness is not measured by glamour but by reliability, strength, and the ability to connect continents through the power of maritime trade. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible giant of the seas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing stories about the world's biggest and most powerful ships. If you'd like, I can also make it around ***2500 3000 words for a 15 to 20 minute YouTube video.